Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 guys, and if you're trying to find where the fuse for the clutch pedal is located, stay with us, we'll explain that today. You have a special switch on the clutch pedal that registers if the clutch is pressed or not, so you can start the car guys. Okay, and for different functions as well. It can even control traction controls and things like that. But before we start, let me tell you guys, when you remove that fuse, always test it, and we'll explain why and we'll explain how, because you may think you have a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, and you may end up spending so much time and money to fix your car when all you had to do is test the fuse and find out if it's good or bad. So let's continue now. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So this is guys specifically 2015 Fiat 500. Okay, right here we'll be demonstrating on Abarth, but even if you have an on Abarth, the procedure is about the same. So if we come right here, okay, this is the Fiat guys, and you come to this side. On the driver's side you can see manual transmission, clutch right here underneath. The clutch has a special switch on top, okay, and the fuse guys that we'll be looking at now, okay, for the clutch, okay, will be known as fuse number 51 guys, number 51. So if you come right here, you have a fuse box. Check it out now. That fuse box is located right here, and the fuse that we need to check is the third fuse from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3. That's 5 fuse in our case for our specific model in here. That fuse right here, that's the one for the clutch guys. Okay, that fuse is actually for clutch, climate control guys, stop lights, and also for the radio switch on your car as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.